In ClickUp, the main way that information lives is in tasks. But tasks can be displayed or visualized in a number of different ways. So, to do that, we use views. You can see my views up the top here. There are two parts to views. The first part is the view type. And we can see we've got a whole bunch of different types of views we can create here. The second part is how they're set up. And so we have a bunch of settings that will allow us to set up views in different ways. So views, no matter which one they are, they're all looking at the same information. They're all looking at the information on the location that I've created them on. So currently I'm on just a list, and so no matter which view I create, it'll be looking at these set of 5 tasks, but displaying them in different ways. So here I've got 3 different types. I've got a list view, a board view, and a calendar view, and they're all displaying the same tasks. I've also got 2 list views, because you can have multiple of the same type set up different ways. So this one, I'm seeing tasks grouped by status with a range of different fields. But in my second view, I'm only seeing high priority tasks grouped by the person they're assigned to and with a different set of fields. So you can have multiple things set up and you don't have to choose. You can simply switch between them at any time. I make that even easier by picking the main ones that I tend to use and favoriting them. So here, I'll go to the 3 dots beside the view, or if it's in a drop down, go to the drop down first, then the 3 dots, and then add to favorites. I'll give it a name, which is personal to me, and then save that. And now it's been added to my favorites, and I can always get to it with one click. So, I have a view set up for each type of work I do, and I can quickly jump between them, and with one click, between my favorites. That means that I'm always seeing the exact data I want, in the way that I want, and navigating between it really, really quickly. That is the power of views. Before you go, I've got something for you. After using ClickUp for a while, you'll find that it starts to get cluttered, hard to use, and things can start falling through the cracks, even if you set it up really well. That's nobody's fault, it just happens. Cars need checkups to keep them running smoothly, and so does your ClickUp. What I have for you is the instruction manual on how. It's called the ClickUp Checkup, and it's a checklist of the things you need to do every 1 to 3 months that will prevent a whole swath of issues that start cropping up after you've been using ClickUp for about a year or so, sometimes sooner. So with it is a training video where I go through each of the checks myself so you can see exactly how I do it and why. A PDF with the checklist and quick reference instructions, and finally a ClickUp task template so you can instantly import all that directly into your ClickUp, have it recur each month or quarter with the checklist ready to go. Click the link in the description to get it now and prevent the headache of having the clarity you wanted from ClickUp turn into confusion. I'll see you on the inside.